here. This is the sketch I did. I shared it on Instagram. This is kind of how it's going to look like. The lady. I'm going to put that beside me to take a peek. I kind of sketched it out a little bit without the previous sketch because I couldn't find it. Because my daughter put it somewhere while she was cleaning the house. Oh no, I found it. So let's get to it. I don't know if this is going to work. I haven't even tried yet, so let me have this. This is a Japanese ink. I don't know where the ink well is right now, so I'm just gonna. There was water in here. Oh, okay. There was water. I guess I gotta get more water. Okay, found the ink well. So what you gotta do is just, you know, grind up the ink and then start painting. Now I'll see if I can do it with the ink stick, and if not, then I have to go get a brush. See what happens here. Oh, yeah, kind of works. I haven't done any figurative painting in a while, like people. I did my daughter and my son about a few years back. Did some portraits, but I never actually have done it. And it's supposed to be pretty abstract anyway, so it's not like you have to be spending a lot of time on worrying about how it looks. This one is a little bigger than the one a little more meat on her. I don't think it matters. Hair is going to cover this part, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Just thought it was kind of fun to do a little bit of figurative painting with the paint pouring. I'm going to turn the monitor around so I can see. There you go. Now for the face, I probably need to This is just white and black and a little bit of yellow underneath. It kind of looks like gold, but it's actually yellow. Kind of need that, kind of like that effect, I think. And now it's kind of getting tricky because this is getting I need to go up further up. I need to get it. Could have used the ink to not ink, charcoal, but I didn't. So, anywho's, that's way better. Okay, so I mixed some yellow and gold up. Oh, and I think you should get some black, or maybe just the black that I have, the ink. See how the ink works with the acrylics actually. Now on the floor, I don't really know why. I have an easel I could use. Let me, at some point, move it up onto the easel. Maybe get some water. Okay, should be ready now. Somewhat. I got white, yellow, gold, and the black from the ink over here. So let's move it over here. Very awkward. I don't know why I'm painting over here. And I have a couple of paintbrushes and my water. I'm trying to find the board that I painted to. I'm going to start outlining again. Light yellow. It's okay if it mixes in with the black. Put some water in it. White, tone it down a bit. There. See a little better. Now let some of that dry and work on the shadow a little bit. Okay, we're back. Now, let's see. Just adding some black to the outline, make it a little darker. Just adding some white. This is kind of a dance between black and white. I'm just trying to figure out some shades and some lights. I'm thinking I'm just gonna let you guys watch and check in at the end again. Now I'm just trying to put some more movement onto the canvas with some watered down paint to make it a little more interesting. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this. Subscribe, like, and share down there in this the description, and make sure if you're interested in any of my paintings, please drop me an email or DM me on Instagram. I'll find all the information down below. See you guys in the next one.